Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern N-letter logo design. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Go to the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle like this. OK. Again select the rectangle tool. And draw a rectangle from here. Like this. OK. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it like this. After that, select the line segment tool. Draw a line from here to here. Now hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Hold the Shift and place it like this. Perfect. Again select the line segment tool. And draw a line like this. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag. Now hold Shift and select these two shapes. And drag it out. Select these extra parts. And press Delete. After that, select this. Press I on the eyedropper tool. And pick this color. Again select this. Hold the Alt and press a little. OK. After that, select the pen tool. Zoom in. And draw a shape like this. Perfect. After that, select this, and take a black color. And reduce the opacity by around 25%. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.